Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a collab with Jody from Jody Cooking. We have teamed up to show you how we make our own version of the Jamaican style carrot juice. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop.
Now let's make this Jamaican carrot juice. Now I'm using about 5, I would say these are like medium to large size carrots because I'm just literally doing a small amount. Now all I'm going to do now is cut the ends off and peel them with my carrot peeler. Guys, please make sure to go over to Jody Cooking channel and check her out to see how she did her carrot juice. She does some awesome recipes over there, really detailed, so please go and check her out. Now I'm going to be using a juicer, but if you're using a blender, you just want to cut your carrots in just chunks. You don't have to cut them too small or too big, but you know, cut them according to what your blender can do. So I'm just going to go ahead now and juice my carrot. Guys, don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen and also on TikTok. Now these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Now I'm going to use a little bit of peanut punch because I know I like that little earthy taste that the peanut gives it, but not a lot. I'm literally going to put in about half of this tin. For my new subscribers, welcome. It's so good to have you here. And for my returning subscribers, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for coming back, always showing me support. I really appreciate it. So all I'm gonna do now is just get everything in a jug and just mix. Now it doesn't matter what order you put this in, as long as you get them in. Now I'll leave everything that I used to make this carrot juice in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now what I like to do with my cinnamon, ginger and nutmeg is put it in a bowl, put a little bit of hot water on it, stir it, leave it aside for a little bit, then strain it off. Because guys, I really don't like when the drink has all the bits and you know, it's too rough for my tongue, and you know my tongue have its issues already. So no. So yeah, once I do that, I do like to just go in and strain it off. Now just, you know, go and mix it out and make sure you get everything out of there. Now yeah, when I leave nothing behind. I just don't like those bits going down my throat. Not around here. But if you feel comfortable just putting it in the drink, you can totally do that. This is just my way of doing it. Now I had to take some out because you know the jug was getting a bit hectic, and you know this is totally optional as well. Just adding good old Uncle Ray, because you know Uncle Ray, them say the more rum the more dancing, you know. So if you want the people them for dance, hey, oi. Now all you do is just share this up over some ice, and all it want is mouth to drink it. And there's the final results. Guys, don't forget to go and check Jody out. Tell her that Shellz sent you. And thank you so much for watching. Now you know, back in Jamaica we used to have this lovely carrot juice, you know, mainly on a Sunday. You know, on a Sunday them something here come out, you know. So yes, my mom used to just whoop up this carrot juice, and you know, granny thing and auntie thing and cousin thing. It was just a thing, you know. Not every Sunday, but now and again Sunday you get this popping. Because everybody love carrot juice. Jamaican style carrot juice. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and as usual, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.